I have an amazing program and our students get incredible results. And my biggest gap is getting new leads into the program. And that's why I wanted to try out the incubator. I think what I was most nervous about is I just really did not know what to expect. I mean, I knew what we were going to do, but I just didn't know what to expect of being in such a small group of people and having that feedback. And it was absolutely incredible. I've learned so many things, mostly that feedback and other expert eyes on your messaging is so critical. I can do a lot on my own, but there is no replacement for feedback from people who have done this for so many businesses and know what works and know what doesn't work, and can help you see maybe what you can't see. I have clarity and confidence on how to move forward to reach my next level business goals. This experience is really kind of what's going to take me from spending all my time trying to figure it out myself to being able to lean on people who already know what they're doing to help me. If you have a proven offer that converts and you just need more eyeballs on it, it absolutely makes sense for you to take the time out to come here and get what could have been weeks or months worth of work condensed into 3 days with a bunch of experts who care a lot about your success.